First, load your sample. Next, connect the microscope and insert the slide. Go to the web app, log in, and start a new analysis. Grant camera access if asked. Focus the sample. Take a picture, and then repeat these steps 4 more times. Then add some additional information. Click Analyze. And finally, review your results. There are many additional features, such as an inoculation calculator, a history of previous measurements, fermentation tracking and comparing fermentations, a cell size histogram, various automated warnings, and many more.